Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the Panasonic VX981 camcorder. I've been using this camera for a few months now and I really love it. So let's take a deeper dive into this camera. On the front we have the Leica lens with the lens cover. It is automatic, so whenever you open the camera it opens up, and when you close it, it closes. And we also have the flashlight, infrared light for night vision, and a manual dial to open manual options. Let's take a look at this side first. We have the DC power in, we have the comfortable grip, and we also have the headphone jack, so you can plug in your headphone to listen to the recordings. And on this side we have the SU adapter for external mics and external flashlights. We have the battery, we have the record button. On the bottom we have the tripod mount, SD card slot, and an indicator LED, and a battery lever to release the battery. On the top we have the surround microphone. So it is advertised as 5.1 zoom, but when you are filming 4K, only 2 channel is available. 5.1 is not available for 4K. And we have the zoom out, zoom in button, and it also acts as a volume controls when you are viewing your recordings. And we have the photo button to take a still photo when you are recording. So let's take a look at this side. We have the manual button, manual dial, hybrid OIS, and the model number. Let's take a look at the inside menus. Here, as soon as you open up, you can see the full screen. So I currently have it in manual mode. Let me change it to intelligent auto. So let's take a look at these side buttons. The camera comes with a micro USB, HDMI input, AV input, and mic input if you have external mics. And here's the quick release for your battery, and you can also power off the camera from here. And we have the Wi-Fi button to transfer files to your phone, and the HDR button to enable or disable HDR. And you have the preview to preview your recordings. And here's the quick release for your SU adapter, which is at the back. Now let's dive into the settings. I usually film on intelligent auto, but you also have other options like intelligent auto, I think it's color, and HDR. Most of the settings are not available on 4K, so I just film on intelligent auto. Here are quick items on the screen. You have the zoom button, zoom out button, record button if you choose to use these buttons instead of the physical buttons here. And let's go to the side. You have the focus buttons. Choose on these buttons to focus on something. Let's see. Yeah, it's focusing on the fox there. And here's the menu. We'll get into that later. And here's the quick white balance and color settings if you'd like to adjust while filming. Here's the button to enable pre-recording. It records few seconds before you actually hit the record button. And night mode, which is only available on manual mode, and HDR. Here's the menu. You can select different settings from here. A digital zoom up to 1500x. Recording format, I just select a 4K MP4. You can also select other formats, and here these are disabled because I selected 4K MP4. And face framing primary, you have all or off, and pre-recording is on, so it just starts recording a few seconds before you actually hit the record button. And hybrid optical image stabilization is on. You can also turn it off if you'd like. And let's see, so these are all default settings that I have. You can also turn on video light if you would like. I just leave it off. And for this one, I just selected auto, so it just detects if I'm filming nature or filming other things. So I just leave it on auto. And for mic, for 4K, the default is 2, so you cannot select 5.1. so if you film on 1080p, you can film with 5.1. So mic level, I'm satisfied with auto. I haven't had the need to change it. Yeah, let's go to picture settings. So there isn't a lot of settings for pictures, so instead of 8.3 megapixels, I just selected 20.4 megapixels. And for setup, you can set up a lot of things. I think I didn't set up anything except for some battery settings and alert sound off, and I think I also changed display. But if you'd like to change other options, you can change from here. So you can also edit some videos from the camera. So I'm going to the gallery, and here I have a lot of options. So it just cropping, and yeah, you can also use this camera as a baby monitor if you'd like. So here it created a video, so I was just filming a cooking video. So, and you can also control volumes from here. So it added the music, and it just combined some of my videos. So it's pretty cool feature. Include some of my favorite video samples from this camera. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.